What you need to have is an airtight agreement between, let's say, the lady and the guy. Airtight meaning that even if you go to court,
child's right ni kama security national threat. It supersedes your constitutional right. That is why you find people who say, I'll only be a sperm donor, or you find people who contribute a sperm to a sperm bank paying child support. The welfare of the child will always win.
But let me ask you something.
But I'm trying to understand from Uno,
yes,
because I'm hearing this for the first time.
Yes.
Is there someone, we've heard of prenups, and we've had people get out of jail free because they had a prenup. But do you have examples of people who had this kind of agreement? And
there's no example,
because I'm hearing it for the first time.
Again, even this one for Van Jones, we're hearing it for the first time here.
No, no.
But you see, Van Jones.
So Van Jones,
yeah.
Let me finish. So here, Van Jones, some of the articles were saying if you're a lawyer, what you need to have is an airtight agreement between, let's say, the lady and the guy. Airtight meaning that even if you go to court, there's no way you're going to be found liable or whatever. This was an agreement. Mimi nakupatia sperm. What we are going to do is pamoja tutakubaliana to raise the kid together. Whatever agreement, Mika, let me finish. Whatever agreement has been accepted by the two, signed by both lawyers, ukipeleka huko, I'm not a lawyer, but I know if both have signed and agreed, before you say you're going to dismantle, it's gonna take an act of Congress to undo it, and that is fact. I mean, you cannot. Yeah, go ahead, Mika.
No, that's the thing. What Van Jones has done is not new. It's something.
It's not new, but it has
been there. Oh, listen, it's not something that's been there, and it's something that is happening right now. It is a norm amongst the Gen Z and some millennials right now for people to have kids and agreeing on just raising the kids.
Do they have contracts? Do they have contracts?
Yeah, they have contracts.
What are the
come for your property? No, I cannot come for your property. I cannot come for you. But one thing that always supersedes is the welfare of the child. You voluntarily took out your sperm and created a human being. You have to take care of that human being. Contract is that the lady will not benefit from your money, but the kid will benefit from your money, regardless of who you are. That is why we have people who donate sperm in the sperm bank, and if somebody can trace the DNA and trace it to a rich person, they can sue for child support. Because it's still your kid, and you voluntarily gave sperm to create that human being.
So someone like Elon Musk gives up his sperm or
Elon
donates
Musk,
his sperm.
Akienda kipeana sperm.
He can be.
You trace it.
And he says to him, he's gonna pay for child support.
Yeah, alidonate voluntarily akijua sperm ndio kuzaa mtoto.
That one I disagree. But I need to be proven.
No, Uno. The sperm was going to a sperm bank for somebody to make a kid from that sperm. At the end of the day, you voluntarily know that your sperm is going to create a human being.
So does that mean
you will have to take care of that human being?
So does that mean that if a lady today comes and asks, a friend of yours comes and asks,
yes,
Omosh, Ali, Mika, somebody, and listen, a lady friend says, I just want to have a child with you. I mean, not a child with you, I just want a child.
Yeah.
I want your sperm.
Me, I have advice for that guy being told that.
So
I have some very strong advice for that guy.
What then would be your answer? I think your
Uno,
answer. Let's before.
Listen, Uno, look at this way. You of sane mind have been asked by a lady, give me your sperm, I want to have a child. So hata ukienda ukiwanko test tube bado ni sperm yako, which will create a life. Umepiana voluntarily ukijua inaenda ku create a life. You are responsible for that life because you gave your sperm knowingly.
Now, real quick before Mosh comes in, Washeke is saying women have sued donors and sperm donors and won. So here there's an example.
There's precedent.
Yeah, there's precedent. So that would be nice. What I've not seen precedent for is for people who've written on a piece of paper and signed it that you'll never sue me for child support, and actually went to court and successfully evaded child support.
I want to see that also, because
I want to see that because I'm hearing about that for the first time.
If there's an airtight agreement, contract written, and that's a problem, because even if you genuinely, a person genuinely comes and says, Ali, I want a toy.
Yeah, Rosafi.
Unampatia.
Yeah.
Then they come back and screw you. I mean, they come and do you kwanza bila lube.
That's the reason why I would advise nobody ever to take that, take that option if you know you want to be in that child's life.
Okay.
Take that option if you want to.
But what if you don't want?
But if you don't want,
and you're given that option.
But if you don't want, why are you going to do it? You're helping a friend.
So then what happens?
Yes, you're helping a friend.
So what happens
Almost,
in the case? What happens in the case of the other person passes away?
Like let's say the mother passes away.
But you didn't want to have anything to do with this child, but you are the biological.
And you are alive.
Do you then now walk away? Does the law come and say, hey, chukua mtoto wako, juu huyu hayuko, or is the toy going in the system? I mean, or, in the case of the co-parenting, then I'm assuming at some point, if something were to happen to this person, to this other person, if that other person passes away and we're co-parenting, then natural, selection, you'll become the parent now. Or was there another agreement on the back end that says, okay, niki exit, mtoi ataenda kwa my paros, lakini we na my paros, mutakuwa munangangana pamoja.
Somebody sends me a message of a woman who impregnated self with stolen semen from billionaire wins child support.
See, that's the reason. That's the reason why Kina Drake. That's the reason why Kina Drake. Whenever
they put hot sauce.
They put hot sauce in their
condom. So in other words, even if you genuinely want to help a friend of yours, and by the way, when I say a friend, a guy comes and cries to Anjiko or whatever. No, but I'm saying, it's both ways. A guy may want a kid, but the woman wants a kid. So that's why there's hesitation, because here it is a rat hole. It is a nishimoyani awezi. It's madhoko than you. Even if you genuinely want to help.
Now, would you agree? Because you've asked all of us. Would you agree to do something like that?
Based on what you guys,
he'll agree.
I'll agree.
He'll agree.
I will agree, but now I'm thinking.
Now vile upenda watoi wake.
But now he's rethinking. I think now he's rethinking. He's rethinking that position.
Because it doesn't matter how airtight. But you see, like now, for example, this billionaire, this one was what? Stolen. This is stolen semen.
How do you steal semen, first of all?
Nigga, if you use a condom.
It depends.
No, but if you use a condom, that means you guys were having. Where did you get the condom from?
If the Jama puts a condom in the trash instead of flushing or putting hot sauce in it, it's a wrap.
Oh, so only kuja tu badai. You are cleaning the room.
Or even in
and
the
then you found it.
Apparently, then you chukua it, then you whatever.
No, man. Watu wakwe serious hapa. Here's the thing.
No, it's true. Both.
But here's the thing.
Even that Drake story, what happened to the mama?
No, but with the Drake story, they were actually having intercourse. They were managing each other. Yeah, so that's different. But me, I'm saying, you know, like, how do you still you just know that, oh, possibly nikienda kwa ile room, I'm gonna get a condom with semen in it. But here's
Ali,
it's bahati nasibu, bro.
but here's just my advice to people who
Sama Mika.
Grease over here says, ka hauna pesa, you can't be a platonic candidate.
You see one thing, you are a cleaner, unajua mwenye nishikwe room ni Drake. Alafu clean your room, ukiona vile Drake ana ukikuja clean your room, ukienda kwa bavu unapata condom iko na sperm, condoms kadhaa. What do? You get desperate for life. Take a chance.